Hello there, welcome to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss the rotate command in Revit. Okay, so see how we can use the rotate command. Here first of all I just place one object so it will more easy. So from here I am selecting the component, suppose any component, desk is there, so select the desk and place it anywhere. Here I have placed the desk. Okay, you can see in 3D also by the rotate command. See here I have placed the desk, it is in 3D view. Now come here in floor plan only, level 1. Okay, now see how to use the rotate command. Here I have taken the object, so I want to rotate this object. So first select the object from the drawing. Now see modify tab, modify panel. Here you will get the rotate icon. So from here also you can use, otherwise shortcut is also there, RO. Okay, just use it. Okay, so I'm selecting this rotate command from here. Now just select the line from where, from this point I want to rotate. So just left click, how much you want to rotate this object. So manually also you can give the angle. Suppose rotation angle, I want to rotate this desk 45 degree, so I have given here 45. You can enter the here also angle, whatever angle you want. So in option bar just write down 45. Okay, enter. So the object will rotate at 45. Okay, see again I'm showing you, select this object, rotate command. From this point I want to rotate, left click and then rotate the object 45 degree like this. Okay, then again press the Ctrl Z to come back from the command. Now I want to show you the remaining option. So select the object, use the rotate command. Now you can see in option bar we have a different option. You can rotate the object. Suppose sometime what happen, you want to rotate the object also and copy the object. Suppose this the object which we have placed here, if you want to copy this object and initial object is same, but the final object which you have copy, you want to rotate that object, so you have to select the copy. See, from here hit on copy. Now what you can do, select this point from where you want to, so reference point we have to select and then rotate it. Suppose I have rotated 30 degree. So see here we get the two object here. Initial one is this, it is in same position, but the object which you have copy, now that object is copy also and rotate at 30 degree. See in 3D what we have done, like this. Okay, now if you don't need, just delete it. Okay, so this is the way you can use the rotate command. Now next one, some more option is given. Hit on this copy, disjoint. Disjoint command is also given. Okay, so see when I'm selecting disjoint, what happening, select and rotate. So in this way you can use it. Okay, now select the object, use the rotate command. Here you can see, here you can enter the angle, rotation angle, whatever you want. Now see the center of rotation. So you can from here also you can hit on this place from where you want to rotate. Suppose you want to rotate the object, you don't want to rotate the object from center, you want to rotate from this point. Okay, so from here you can select the center of rotation also. Just I am selecting this point as a center, hit on. Now from this point you can rotate it. See, just give the angle what you want, 35. See, okay, so this is all about the use of rotate command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoyed this session. See you in next one.